Confusing object reference behavior in recursion. I have written a depth-first search that searches the path in a labyrinth, based on this question. It works as I would expect, except that the last two coordinates do not get added to the list called result. Which is the reason why I included the line print result equals current underscore path, which should in my expectation always be true. It is the same object, which gets passed as a reference. How could it ever not be equal? The code should be executable as is, but just in case, this is the output I am getting. As should be clear from the output, the function can only have anchored if the last state was 7, 7, which is, together with 6, 7, not present in the result variable. I am stupefied as to why. Edit. The coordinate 5, 6, which is present in the result list, should not be there. It is the last position from which the algorithm backtracks, the dead end just before reaching the goal state. I have, again, no clue why it was not properly removed from both lists during the backtracking step.
Current underscore path equals current underscore path column -1, creates a new list, and binds the name current underscore path to this newly created list. At that stage, it is no longer the same list as result. Look at the list method pop instead.